Maybe I have to redo this repair. I have to grind down this too. Then we put this piece against over here. Yes. Shape is good. We will, when we have lots of fiberglass on the back side, we will ground down the front and do fiberglass on this side too. Let's see how this looks. Spacer here. Oh, perfect. Really perfect. Have to do the same thing about here. So we have to cut this open and plastic. We prepare this area, and I think we prepare this area too. We wait with these things. Let's look on the other side. Then we have something to build off. That will be good. Really good. Really good. We'll cut open here to straighten out this. And cut up a bit of these things. But I think we do the fiberglass on the inside before we do this finish work. What we got? Again. We have the corners up here too, but they are reinforced on the inside. Not so good there, I see. But bad work again. We show you if we see these things here, we have I don't know if it's you'll not see. We have some damage in the corners here, and I can see they have reinforced it, but it's not attached. It's you have to grind it down and redo this. It's the same thing on this side. Can just peel it off. Reinforced my ass. This one seems to be a little bit better. But no, it's not. You grind it out and taper it down so almost through to the other side. 12 times the thickness is how wide the tapering should be. I think we're prepared now. Should fit this one. Now we have done this fiberglass repair on the back side, and everything is structurally hard. It's really good, but we have to do it on the front side too to get a good smooth surface. You probably could fill this up with a filler, but I think it's too deep to do that. It can crack in the future if you have flex in the material. The next step for us now is to grind this surface down so it gets smooth down to this area, and then build it up with fiberglass on this side. And when it got the shape we want, we smooth it out with the filler in the end. So this thing is structured okay. This repair is structured okay. We have to do another repair on the outside. And the repair over here, we have cut open and fiberglass together. So now we have a uniform shape on the opening here. It was too high over here before. Then we have done some fiber repairs at the corners here on the inside. We grind this open and put some fiberglass on the outside too. That's the next step. So let's do that.
I'm still looking for these headlights. Please contact me if you got them. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.